So I just did a live stream for a company, and I just would like to show you what I used to do this live stream. So first we have this NAN light and this 60 centimeter softbox, and that is our key light, the main light. Then here we have a little smaller one. This is a 60 centimeter softbox, just because we would like to have a kind of even lit up scenario and environment when we do live stream that doesn't need to be cinematic, that people like. And then I set here at the top, I use this auto pole, and then I put the NAN light power tube here, just because when you have this, you get this little hair shine here, and that is just really, really beautiful, especially when we have two girls that are sitting here and interviewing a third person. And then we have the camera set up. So here is the Sony a7S III. Here we have a pretty wide lens. This is the Sony 24mm G Master. Fantastic image. And then here we have a Tamron, that is a 28-75, because we use this 24mm lens to have a wide shot, so we can see all three people that are sitting here. And then we have this 28-75 that I've currently set to about 50mm, because I would like to have that one to have a close-up, to have the person that is talking in focus and just zoomed in so people can concentrate on that person. And then when everyone is talking, we can just go over to this 24mm lens instead. And what I use to do this, that is Ecamm Live, and that is just if you're going to do any kind of live stream, use Ecamm Live. It's just fantastic. It can look kind of intimidating when you first start, because it has all these kind of modules that are just floating on top of the dashboard that you have in your computer. It doesn't have a background screen that you are used to. So what we do here is that here I can just easily switch between these kind of videos here. We can switch between the cameras. I even have put up, so in the beginning we were streaming, we're gonna have this video that is playing first. And then I can also switch to a thumbnail that we have here, that we have just before the stream starts. And then we can just go to the wide here, and then we can just do close up. And then we also have the possibility to zoom in even further, and that we have. So here, for example, we can say that, we would like to be a little bit tighter. So then I can zoom in digitally here. And that works fantastic, because to bring the picture from the camera into the computer, I am using Elgato Cam Link, because that one supports 4K. We don't stream in more than 1080, but because we have that 4K stream from the camera into Ecamm Live, we can, without any problems, digitally zoom into that image, and we will not lose any quality because we are streaming in 1080. So this is just fantastic. And then in the beginning, the host or the main presenter of this stream would like to, we are using these Podcaster Pro that I just take in front of this camera here, so she can read her script. And then after that, we are just cutting over to that camera, and then I can remove this one a little bit quietly so no one hears what's going on. And to catch the microphone or the audio, we have two different microphones, because I'm always using the Rode Wireless Pro that we have here. But because we are three people that are gonna present things, we also have this one, the Rode Interview Pro. So the two people that are not talking all the time, then they can use this one. And then we have the person that is talking most. That person is mic'd up with a Rode Wireless Pro. So this is just an incredible setup, and it works just so amazingly well. So if you would like to know more, just let me know in the comment box, and I can go specifically into parts of this live stream setup. And I have dropped links to all of the gears that I'm using in the comment box and in the description, so you can just pick it up if you need some of that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.